Today we will be reviewing the Funland coloring book crayon set with stampers and stickers. You get 12 coloring books, 12 boxes of crayons, 4 crayons per box, red, yellow, green, and blue. You get 12 stampers. You get 12 of these sticker sets with 3 octopus, 3 clownfish, 3 shark, and 3 turtles. For these stickers are not reusable, so for best results, you may want to tear off this white so that it looks like this, and then you can put stickers on top. And you can, in the coloring books, there's 20 pages of animals. The stamp does go through the pages though, so that's something you need to remember. So, see, you stamp on one side, it'll appear on the other side. They're good for picnics, road trips in the car where you desperately need entertainment for young children. They're also really good for party favors. And yeah, that is the Funland Animal Coloring Books and Crayon set.